Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Planimeter app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Planimeter is a GPS-based measurement app designed to help users accurately calculate distances, areas, and perimeters on maps. It is useful for professionals like surveyors, landscapers, and construction planners, as well as outdoor enthusiasts and real estate agents. The app offers features such as multiple measurement units, automatic path tracking, map overlays, and the ability to save and export measurements for future reference. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Users often praise Planimeter for its clean, intuitive interface and precise measurement tools. GPS tracking allows for accurate distance and area calculations in real time, while map overlays make planning and measurement easier even on large plots of land. The ability to save and export data is particularly useful for professional reporting and project documentation. Still, the app isn't without its downsides. GPS accuracy can be affected by poor signal or terrain, requiring occasional recalibration. Some advanced features may require a paid subscription, and beginners might need time to learn the interface fully. In summary, the Planimeter app may be worth using if you need precise measurement tools for land, outdoor activities, or professional planning, and want to save time with an easy-to-use GPS-based system. However, if you rely on free tools or require highly specialized surveying software, it might not fully meet your needs. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.